Today, I'm going to give you 5 simple movements that you can do to warm up your wrists for wheel pose. So if you're working on getting into wheel pose, you want to make sure to warm up your wrists and build some strength into your wrists. I'm going to give you 5 different things that you can do today to help prepare your wrists for wheel pose. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather, and I make yoga videos to help you learn skills, feel more confident in your yoga practice, and help build the strength in your body to be able to get into some of these more challenging poses. So the first is to bring your hands together, interlace your fingers, and then begin to slowly rotate your wrists in like an infinity symbol or like a sideways 8 symbol. So you can just rotate your wrists back and forth, and then you can go the opposite direction. That when you go in the opposite direction might feel a little bit awkward. It's not your natural way that you want to move, and that is okay. So that is the first thing that you can do. You might feel this here in your wrist. You might even feel it here in your forearm as well. The second is to bring your hands together into a prayer position and then slowly begin to rotate your palms forward. And as you get to a point where you can kind of feel like you're not going to be able to go any further, bring the backs of your hands together to complete a full rotation around. Bring your palms back together and continue to rotate around. And then you're going to do this as well in the opposite direction. So bring your palms together to the back of your hands. Palms together to the back of your hands. Third one is to simply take your fingertips, meet your fingertips together, and gently press your palm open. You don't want this to be intense. You don't want this to be where you're holding your breath or wincing or anything. You might feel this in the palm of your hands and your fingertips. You might even feel it here in your wrist and into your forearm. So you can gently press your palms open. Hold it until it feels like you feel good, like it's opening up, it's doing its job. One wrist might be a little bit tighter than the other. That's okay. The fourth is to come down onto your hands and knees. So you want to come into this tabletop position. You want to make sure that your hips are stacked over your knees and your shoulders are stacked over your wrists. So what you can do here is you can take some movement here into your tabletop. And as you move your shoulders forward and back, that's going to help stretch out your wrists here. Okay. So you can do this. And then what you can do is take your fingertips and just rotate your palms so that your fingertips are pointed towards your knees. This can get very intense very quickly. This should not be something that you're holding your breath or feeling like you're wincing or anything. If it's too intense, just lay off the stretch just a little bit, okay? And again, one might feel tighter than the other. We each have a dominant hand, a dominant arm, so one might feel a little bit tighter than the other. And then what you can do from here is begin to slowly bend into your elbows. I have just a little bit of range of motion here, so yours might look different than mine. That's okay. So you can begin to slowly start to bend your elbows here. And then the fifth one, you want to place your palms back forward. The fifth one is you're going to do this one palm at a time, okay? One arm at a time. Take your wrist and plant the top of your hand into your mat so that you can stretch out. What you don't want to do, you don't want to do both of these at the same time, and you don't want to dump all of your weight into the one wrist. This is a very delicate stretch here, but it's a really great way to open up the outside of your wrist and your arm as well. So you can do that with one palm and then plant that palm and come and do this on the other side as well. You're just going to hold it until it's like, yeah, feels good. Feels like I got the stretch that I needed. All right. So those are 5 different warm-ups that you can do to help prepare your wrists to build the flexibility, build the strength into your wrists to come into wheel pose. If wheel pose is something that you are working on in your yoga practice, you might be interested in learning a little bit more about my back bending program, where I show you and give you some dedicated time on how to work on your wheel pose and other back bends. You can go to heathermonthly.com/backbends to check out that program there. You might also want to check out my other videos that I have here on my YouTube channel specific to wheel pose and other back bends. So if you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and send this video to somebody who you think might find it helpful. Thank you, and I'll talk to you in the next video.